How to add a profile picture in WhatsApp on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. Launch WhatsApp application on your device and make sure that you logged into your account. Tap three dots at top right corner and from this menu choose settings. From top of your screen choose your profile picture. Now you'll land on a section where you simply need to tap on the camera icon of your profile picture and a menu pop up where you can see different ways to choose your profile photo. You can choose from camera, gallery, or you can even set avatar. So let's choose from gallery. Now you can easily adjust the frame and then tap on the down button at bottom right corner of your screen. And finally, you can see that we have added a profile picture in WhatsApp on Android. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.